Professional plumber installation and operating instructions for whole house water filtration systems models AP902, AP903, AP904. This video is intended as a general guide. Always read and understand the product owner's manual for complete installation instructions prior to actual installation and use of any 3M product. Pay attention to the warnings, cautions, and important notes in the installation manual. Each system includes the filter head, filter cartridge, the mounting bracket, and a product manual. Installation may require additional tools and fittings. For city water installation, install the AP900 system after the water meter. For well water installation, install the AP900 system after the pressure tank. Begin installation by shutting off main water supply and depressurizing and draining plumbing lines. Shut off fuel or electric power supply to water heater. Cut pipe to length needed to install filter head and recommended bypass. Assemble filter head and optional bypass system. Use 3 ball valves and 1 filtration unit. Install system, valves, piping, and filter head into water supply system. Use PTFE tape only. Use supplied bracket or pipe hangers to support the system. Install filter cartridge into head. Make sure internal keyring is positioned correctly by rotating clockwise to the right until it clicks into place. Turn main water supply back on. While water is running through faucet, open valve 1. While water is running through faucet, close valve 1. Slowly open valves 3 and 2. Allow filter cartridge to fill up. Check for leaks. Flush no less than 10 gallons through system before use. Turn on fuel or electric power supply to water heater. Installation is complete. AP900 series filter replacement instructions. Replace the disposable filter cartridge every 12 months or when a noticeable reduction in flow rate occurs. Before changing cartridge, place a bucket under filter to catch the small amount of water that may run out after cartridge removal. Close shutoff valve upstream of filter system, leaving downstream shutoff valve open. Open a faucet downstream of the filtration system to depressurize the system. Once filtration system has been depressurized, close the downstream shutoff valve. Slide cartridge locking latch to the right and lift up. With both hands, twist out the Sanitary Quick Change filter cartridge by turning it 90 degrees counterclockwise, to the left, and down. Install new replacement cartridge into head by pushing cartridge up and turning clockwise until locking latch clicks into place. Open downstream shutoff valve. Slowly open upstream shutoff valve until filtration system fills with water. Flush at least 10 gallons through system before use. Your filter replacement is complete.